Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to build a chatbot scenario in UseResponse. You can deliver customer support proactively and route chat conversations to the necessary agent or department automatically using chatbot scenarios. First, the administrator has to enable chatbots and applications in the administration area. Then, go to Chatbot in the left sidebar. A scenario has components necessary to build a response flow with the customer. A scenario must start with the entry event. It could be a received message, specific visitor's behavior on your website, or chat initialization by clicking the chat widget icon. You can also define a set of additional conditions that should be met to launch a scenario. Please keep in mind that triggers launched on the events used in scenarios won't work anymore. Once a scenario is launched, you need to perform a bot action. There could be configured the following bot replies. Text message that will be sent to the user, the inline images with links leading to helpful documentation. There is the ability to add buttons with the predefined answers that should be picked by the customer to proceed the conversation. With the bot reply, you can send the article or FAQ from your knowledge base. Or your chatbot can ask the customer to fill out a form with user or contact details. If you have a large scenario with complex logic, you would definitely need to use steps. For example, you provide several answers with buttons, one of which can be picked by the customer. Based on the user choice, you can split the conversation flow into separate branches. This way, the chosen button is considered to be a condition for the step. A new step can be created not only from the chosen button, but as a separate bot action. There are two important bot actions you need to add in order to end the scenario. Connect to operator. This action will create a new conversation in UseResponse with the history of the scenario flow. Besides, on this step, you can set up automatic notifications, subscriptions, assignments, etc. Another action to end the response flow is exit scenario. The conversation will be ended, but it won't create a new request in the agent interface. The customer will be offered to start a new chat. Let's review a simple bot scenario if the customers initiate conversations on weekends. Hit New Scenario. Enter the scenario title. Define the events when the scenario should start. In our case, it would be User Opens Chat Event. In conditions, choose days when the chatbot should work. In bot replies, add the message to inform that the support team is not available on weekends and that you will get back to them on Monday. Then add a contact form to grab the request details to get back to it when the team is online. To end the scenario, let's select Connect to Operator action to create a new chat in the system and specify who should be notified on the conversation started on weekends. Hit Submit and our scenario is ready to work. To make sure the scenario works in the way that you expect it, you can test it by clicking Test icon in the list of scenarios or Test button on the scenario page. Thank you for your attention.